It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hey everybody, welcome to this week's market update where I'm going to tell you where it's looking a little like Christmas. And you know what? For a little fun, at the end, I'm going to tell you what's been the highest priced home sold in this past week. So you ready for your numbers? Stay tuned. So let's look at Orange County. We currently have 1,540 active homes. Pending, 477 went pending last week. Now keep in mind, this is going from last Monday to yesterday, December 12th. So sold 327. Median sales price in Orange County is $351,000. And days on market is a nice 11 days. Seminole County, we switched gears. We're going 502 actives, 157 pending, 139 homes sold in the last week, 7 days. And median sales price, $360,000. For days on market, we're in the single digits in Seminole, hitting 9, way to go. Volusia, active, we have 665 homes. Pending, 128, and then sold is 136, with a median sales price of $284,000, with 15 days on market in Volusia. Lake County, we move into an active number of 752 homes, 153 pending. We sold 151 of them. Median sales price is $335,000 and $82. $335,082. And that days on market is 7 days. So therefore, if you would have listed your home last Monday, chances are you're under contract today. That's how fast the Lake County market is going. Now, market, as you can tell, there's many people that are still listing their homes during the holidays. They might not get it as fast as they would, because you'll see it slow down a little bit with all the parades, the light shows, everything going on, from the events in Winter Springs to the events in Casselberry over the weekend. You got events in Winter Garden and Orlando. I mean, so many things going on this time of year that it will slow down showings just a little bit, but homes still sell because people still need to live someplace in 2022 as we approach the new year. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Take a wild guess what you think the highest priced home sold in the basically 4 counties that we discussed. Now let's see. This one that sold is 5 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 2 half baths, over 10,000 square feet of living, has a private pool. It's in Windermere off of Lake Butler. It has a theater room. It's fully upgraded with a gourmet kitchen. It actually has 2 dishwashers. So you don't have to worry about clean and dirty. You can figure that out easier. Travertine flooring all around the pool area. And it's sold with a sauna, might I add. And it's sold for the whopping price of $5,300,000. So, what a home, what a home. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's market update. Feel free to check out some of my, I think it's over on this side, my next video that's gonna be playing. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys all next week.